I had a request for how I clean my slow cooker. This dog. For reference, I have this Green Life, I believe it's a 6-quart slow cooker. If you're interested, it's linked on my Amazon storefront. It is $39 and it is my favorite slow cooker. This is the slow cooker. If anything happens to the outside, I literally just use any type of like cleaning spray I have, spray it on a paper towel and just like wipe anything off. I'll show you how I clean the insert. So I just made lentil taco meat. If you want to check that out, it's posted. This is super simple. All I did was put in some hot water and a squirt of Dawn dish soap, let it sit for a few minutes, and now I'm just gonna wash it. You can put this in the dishwasher. I just choose not to. Honestly, I would rather clean this, okay, and stuff my dishwasher of a bunch of little things for it to wash instead of like a bunch of big things. So that's the main reason why I don't put this in the dishwasher, is because I don't like cleaning a bunch of little things. But you gotta see this, okay? So there is a little bit left on the side. Oh my god, this is a lot. That's pretty much it. And look, I can hold this insert with like one hand. It's amazing. Make sure there's nothing else on the outside. Give it a rinse. I'm gonna give it one more good soaping because I'm doing a bonus recipe tonight, overnight. And I don't want any taco smell. I also love my scrub daddies. Or actually no, I love my scrub mommy. And there she is. She's all clean. Easy peasy. Mac and cheesy.